Autumn is here, honey. It is that in between time of year where the mornings are somewhat chilly and the afternoons are warm, and your closet may be a little confused. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make the switch to autumn effortlessly with layers, shoe swaps, seasonal colors, and even perfume. So, let's get into it. First point, style summer pieces for fall. Do not pack away summer just yet, okay? If you have not watched the previous video where I talk about how to transition your summer pieces into fall, go check that video out. But let's dive a little deeper into that concept. Here are some examples of how you can take your favorite summer pieces, i.e. maybe your summer dresses that you love, and pair them with maybe a boot or a blazer or even a t-shirt underneath or even with a jean, and transition your favorite summer pieces right into fall and just wear them with a new fresh feel and vibe. By layering, you can extend your wear of these pieces into the fall season. And this is not even spending a dime. Point two, let's talk some layering tricks that are just easy and effortless and make you look so polished. Autumn is all about the layers, okay? And not just for warmth, but for style as well. It is so fun and just funky to layer your favorite pieces, whether that is a scarf, a blazer, a shirt, a little extra tie, a boot under a dress or over a pant. Like, it is so fun to layer because it brings dimension and depth to an outfit, and it's just fun to do as you transition, because if it's cool in the mornings, you have your layers on, you're good to go. And then as the evening or the day progresses and the evening comes, you can, take a couple layers off and still be comfortable and still be really cute and vibey. And some of the pieces that are good for layering are, let's talk like again, your blazers, your trench coats, your cardigans, and let's just say you're a shacket person. Those are pieces that are just going to work so well with layering this fall. The trick is balance. Structured outer layers over easy basics. That equals instant polish. Point three, swap shoes that define the season. One of the fastest ways to signal autumn is swapping the shoe. So that means we're going from sandals to maybe a loafer, sneakers to maybe an ankle boot, and slides maybe into knee highs. Shoes set the tone before anything else sometimes. So when you have the right shoe, sometimes you can plan so many outfits around the shoe because they absolutely set the tone. Point four, you don't need a whole new wardrobe to look fall ready. What you can do is search your closet and look for colors that are fall colors that you can now incorporate into your outfits. Fall colors oftentimes are represented by, let's say, rust colors, deep burgundies, olive greens. Of course, you can go with your nude family blacks, browns, chocolate. Oh my God, a rich chocolate brown. Those are going to be colors that work really well in fall and add a pop of color, especially my nude and neutral babes. And don't forget the accessories. The accessories can also provide the pop. Think about your scarves, think about your belts, your handbags, and even your nail color, the nail polish color. Those are all things that you can also add pops of color with without having to do the most or keeping you feeling in your comfort zone if you need to. Think your, once again, earthy colors, the olives, the burgundies, the rich browns. These are colors that signal fall. Point five, think about transitioning your scents, the perfumes that you wear. In summer, again, we are wearing more airy, brighter floral scents. And in fall, go deeper, okay? Consider the more woodsy, the more musky, the more masculine scents, and that instantly signals fall. So consider making a switch, right? And I'm gonna give you an example. I'm switching from the Jo Malone Nectarine Blossom and Honey cologne to the Jo Malone Mimosa and Cardamom cologne. This one is a little bit deeper, a little bit more, I don't know, evening kind of night, kind of fall kind of vibes, okay? So, and you can see that the colors are a little bit different. So in my opinion, that kind of tells me, like, I'm not a perfume girly, but that tells me that something lighter and airier I can use for summertime, springtime, and something that is a little bit deeper in color always signals to me that it is a little bit darker, a little bit more masculine or evening kind of vibes. I don't know why that makes sense to me, but that is kind of how I judge sometimes. And that don't quote me, because that can be very different. Like I said, I'm not a perfume girly, but I'm making this switch because this one is so airy and it's so light and it's so clearly, it says nectarine and honey, clearly gives summer vibes. And mimosa and cardamom is evening, in my opinion, or more of a fall winter vibe. So just to give you that example, that's kind of what I mean by making the switch with your scents, going deeper, finding more woodsy, musky, more fall kind of vibes in your scents and fragrances. A fall fragrance is like the invisible accessory. It will make you feel so pulled together. So let's wrap this thing all up. With just a few swaps, styling your summer pieces, layering smartly, switching your shoes, adding autumn colors, and even shifting your perfume, you can transition easily into autumn style. So in the comments below, I want you to let me know which one of these swaps are you gonna try first. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes of the Easy Outfit Edit. And if you need a little style help and assistance, go ahead and book your one-on-one consultation. I'm here for you and happy to help. And until next time, I hope the Easy Outfit Edit is helping you, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.